fish?
We're playing poker.
Oh.
The inclusion of the highly praised game Five Nights at Napkins at this year's Game Awards. In other news, many will be sleeping soundly tonight as police confirm the death of accused serial killer Roy Porter. Porter managed to escape trial over 7 years ago, but many still seem to believe that Porter was the true killer of over 20 victims, aged around 6 to 14. Porter's apartment on Newton Street burst into flames at about 3:07 last night. Police have reported that barely anything survived the fire besides a lone microwave. However, said microwave disappeared from the scene only hours after the fire. We now go live to Ash Burns, who's at the scene.
Good riddance, I say.
Ash?
You can't say that about a dead person.
He killed children, Charlie. We're better off without people like that. Besides, can't do anything about it now. He's dead.
Well, what do you know?
I mean, yeah. Were you the one who bought a can of petrol? Thinking it was a tub of protein powder?
Shut up.
I mean, if we ever needed to start a fire, you guys covered.
Miles, stop talking.
Hey guys! Where have you been? Late night business. Anyways, look what I found on the way home. A brand new microwave.
Sick. We need a new one of those.
Doesn't look brand new to me.
You have little faith. Let me show you how it's done.
Now what?
Tyler, do you like to do the honors?
Busted, Dylan. Doesn't work.
Where'd you even get this thing?
I just found it.
Found it?
Yeah, it was just by the side of the road. Guys?
What the shit?!
I think I smoked way too many, man.
Where'd you even get that thing?
It was just on the side of the road with a free sign.
Side of the road? What road?
Newton Street? Maybe.
Newton Street. Where that serial killer dude died. What if...
I'm gonna go call the police. Huh.
Shit!
Oh my god! I'm gonna have to take it off. Miles, you ready?
No!
3, 2,
No, don't do it!
1. The microwave's gone.
We have to end this. Get Tyler's gasoline can. Who the hell are you?
I'm right, Porter. Thanks for asking.
You get the fuck out of our house. You maniac! Dylan, now!
What have you done?
Got us a light? Time to get reheated.
Officer Conaghlin, I was wondering if we could have a talk?
Yeah, sure.
It's such a shame that house burnt down. I always thought it added to the town's rustic aesthetic.
Yeah, well, hopefully they can rebuild.
Yeah, and the victims were talking about some sort of killer microwave. Seriously, it's amazing the effect horror movies are having on kids these days.
Wait, a killer microwave?
Yeah, what's up?
Wow. All we managed to recover from that fire was a microwave.
I need to make a call.